So I'm going to make a program for calculating a formula using a function in Python. So you can see at the top I have my header. So it has my name, the date that I created it, and what version of my program it is, and then a description of my program. A program that calculates the area of a triangle and prints out the result. So if you're familiar with processing for Python, we don't need the trinket. In trinket, we don't need the from processing, import everything, and the run, because we're just only using Python. We're not trying to draw a picture, we're just making an equation. So when we make a function, we always start with leaving two spaces above, and then DEF for definition. And I'm going to give this a meaningful name. So I'm just going to call this area try. And then think about what your inputs are going to be for the area of a triangle. Well, it's going to be, the formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. So I'm going to have B and H as my parameters. So then I need to write a doc string. So it says finds the area of a triangle where A is area, B is the base of the triangle, and H is the height of the triangle. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to be able to put in our formula. So I have area equals, and I can have 1 divided by 2, or I can do also, that's also the same as 0.5. So I'm going to do 0.5 times base times height. Then I want a way for the user to be able to know that the what their answer is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a print statement. So I will say the area of the triangle is, and then I'm going to use concatenation. I'm going to convert my area, which was going to come out as a float or a floating point number, which is a decimal. I'm going to convert that to a string so it prints out. And then I'm going to assume units and say centimeters cubed. So that little house looking symbol, that means for exponents for when you're just printing text. So my function is done. Now what I have to do is I have to do 2 spaces, always before and after a function. So now I'm going to call my function. So, and when you're testing out, it doesn't really matter what numbers you use, but it's usually easier if you choose some simple numbers. So to make sure that it's correct. So say I use 1 for base and 2 for height. So let's do a couple here. Area try, and I maybe do 10 and 15. Okay, so I save, and what should happen is I should get 3 sentences printed out where it tells me the area of the triangle. So one problem that I see here is, okay, so I have the area of the triangle is 1 centimeter square. I want some spaces. So I'm gonna, at the end of is, I'm gonna add a space. Save that again. Run it. So now that looks better. So I have the area of the triangle is 1 centimeter cubed, the area of the triangle is 75 centimeters cubed, and the area of the triangle is 4 centimeters cubed. So the reason that even though it gives us exact numbers, it has a decimal at the end because of this 0.5. It makes it into a float, so that's always going to have a decimal of at least 0.0. If, say, for example, we did one more, let's see here, area, let's do some odd numbers, 5 and 7. Oh, typo. So you can see here now it's 7.5, but all of the other ones have the 0.5. So later on, we'll keep on building on this example. In the next unit, we're actually going to learn how to, if you want your user to be able to input what numbers that they want.